Hi, I'm Casey with Fierce Planet Adventures. And like many of you, we are self-quarantined, doing what we can to stay healthy. And that includes getting plenty of sleep, hydrating, working out, daily breathing and meditation practice, and trying to ensure our immune systems are healthy by proper nutrition. We do have a few recipes to help boost our immunity, and today we're going to do garlic broth. So we have some fresh, healthy ingredients that we were able to find pretty easily at the store, even right now. So we're going to get chopping, throw it in the pot, and see what happens. Feel my immunity is supercharging already.